Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about some basic steps to take every spring so you can get your lawn looking its best. Let us know any tips you have in the comments below. Step 1. Give your yard a cleanup. Gather up any old leaves, branches, and debris that have accumulated over the winter months and rake out any dead grass. This will give you and your lawn a fresh start. Step 2. Get your mowing game on point. Giving your lawnmower a spring tune-up will help it perform all season long. This includes giving your blade a quick sharpening, as a dull blade can actually harm your lawn. The first couple of times you mow your lawn, use a lower setting to cut the grass shorter than you normally would. This way, water, the sun, and nutrients will have an easier time getting to the base of the grass. After a few weeks, raise the height of your mower and try to follow the 1/3 rule for the remainder of the season. Do not cut more than 1/3 off the length of your lawn in one mowing. Following this rule will help protect the root system over the summer months. Try to avoid mowing your lawn in the mornings or afternoons. Mowing in the morning when your grass may be full of dew can help spread lawn disease, while mowing in the afternoon means the sun is at its most intense, which will put stress on your newly cut lawn. Instead, try to mow your lawn in the evenings when the grass is dry and the sun is much weaker. Long term, your lawn will thank you. Step 3. Water your lawn consistently. Turning on your sprinklers 3 times a week will help your lawn get the moisture it needs. Watering in the afternoon isn't ideal since the hot sun will cause so much evaporation, while watering in the evening means your lawn will be wet all night, which could lead to fungus growth. The early morning is your best bet for keeping your lawn healthy. If you're too busy or just plain forgetful, a simple sprinkler timer can take this task off your plate. Step 4. Aerate your lawn. Over time, the soil in your yard compacts down enough that it can restrict air pockets from delivering nutrients and water to the roots of your lawn. Aerating your yard every spring will make that problem disappear. Step 5. Seeding your lawn. Once the snow has finally melted, spread grass seed all over the entire lawn. Be sure to fill holes where weeds are likely to sprout up. Step 6. Fertilizing your lawn. Once you've aerated and seeded your lawn in the spring, you should also be applying fertilizer. By the time summer arrives, your grass should be lush and healthy. Step 7. Treat weeds. Take some extra time when possible to walk your yard and pull weeds that have popped up. They grow and spread fairly quickly, so staying on top of it will help keep your lawn looking its best. These are our top steps for reviving your lawn in springtime, but let us know any tips you have in the comments below. And don't forget to visit eReplacementParts.com for more videos, blogs, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.